ready, Pop?
Yeah.
The purpose of today's video is 500. His mom need a graduation present. The problem is him. You okay? I'll be picking out the gift, of course. Like I said, his mom need a new graduation present. Sorry, Pop. Sorry. I'm sorry. His mom need a new graduation present and a new TV, so that's gonna be easy. 500 shouldn't be much on that. I know a toy I would like to get him. The Mega Garage Hot Wheels, cause you know, like cars, right, Pop? Cars. Yeah, so the 500 for him is going on that, and a couple shares of Roblox. Yeah, Roblox.
I will wash you.
We're gonna see what happens. So yeah, like I said, his mom will be spending $500 on us today, right?
Whatever you say.
Us each. You ready? Yeah, cars. And the first store we'll be going to, Bed Bath & Beyond. And here we'll be getting the graduation present. How much was that? $12. Alright, let's go. I don't know what that is, Pop. Is it for you? We're gonna go get toys soon. Okay, so his mom doesn't know there's a $500 budget. This process is taking longer than I thought, but I'm gonna wait. I'll be patient. So NutriBullet, how much is it?
$39.99.
I have to get a cart. We're going big. Oh, it's not the same?
All of them are open, but I've been open.
Yeah, we don't want to open one. Got a cutting board for to the next store. New cart. Probably pick up a few cars for him. Yeah, his budget started. He's already down 136. Woo! Where are we off to next? Oh, shark! You want shark? Okay. We have everything here. Except for that. We officially have this whole section. Serge, we was gonna skip this. Yo. Oh no, they only have one. We got $50, $20, 70, 12, 12. So 24 plus 70, 94. So he's 94 down. So far, his mom is at 230, 210, and he's at about 100. So, yeah, that's where we at. On the way to the next store.
Next door?
Yeah. Best Buy. Sergio, you gonna get your first garage if they have it.
Yeah.
She just found out the budget is 500 and she has 3 something left. Unless you want a bigger one.
No, it's fine.
See, Sergi want this one, right, Sergi? See? So how much is that? Yeah, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Alright, come on, let's go. Come, Pop. Crazy. No, look. That's what we came here for, huh? Let's go. I don't think I spent 500 on Sergio yet. And now we go home.
Sorry. I book. Gotcha. Open it. Open.
Oh yeah, if you're watching this video, click like, subscribe, and comment. I don't even know. This is a kid's video, ain't gonna be no comment.